Meaning of hard-earned.
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 Hard-earned. Hard-earned is an adjective used to describe something that has been achieved through great effort and struggle. It usually refers to something that has been attained through hard work, dedication, and perseverance. This phrase can be applied to different contexts, such as hard-earned money, hard-earned reputation, or hard-earned success. When something is described as hard-earned, it implies that the challenge was significant and that the outcome is all the more valuable and rewarding due to the effort that was required. Hard-earned accomplishments are often accompanied by a sense of pride and satisfaction for having overcome obstacles and persevered despite difficulty.